So hey guys, welcome back to my video guys, and today I have my first Temu haul. Okay, these products were sent to me by Temu to review. And is it Temu? I think it's Temu. Yes, I have never ordered from Temu before, so I'm excited to see the stuff and to see if it looks like the pictures. And guys, I'm gonna give you guys my honest review, okay? And for those that do not know, Temu is an app, and when I tell you, they have everything. You can find everything on the app. They have clothes, they have stuff for the home, they have suitcases, which I'm so excited about because I got a suitcase. They have everything. You name it, you go on there, you can find every single thing, okay guys? So view these stuff, go ahead and download the Temu app, okay? So you guys can both get my first impression, and I'm gonna be 100% honest, okay? I'm already liking it. Again, I haven't even taken out the box. This is it here. I'm gonna throw this out the way. This is nice. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is nice. Guys, look at this suitcase. And this come in handy, okay? Because I'm gonna be doing a lot of traveling, alright? What I love about this, look. Watch. You open this and it has a laptop holder, okay? You can put your laptop in here. This is where your laptop will go. So that way, usually I have to carry my laptop bag. So that's cool. Let me go get my laptop and let me test this out. Oh, fits perfect. Look at that. Fits so good. And to the back, it also has a cup holder, which I love. See, it opens out like that. And that is cool. Let me get my cup to test this. Wow, nice. So I can be hand-free in the airport. You know, when you carry your luggage and you get something to drink, you have to hold it in your other hand. So I can be hand-free. I don't have to worry about carrying a drink, and I do not have to worry about carrying a laptop bag because it comes with one built right in. Show you guys, and this is all the space. Laptop bag plus space all beneath there. Lock your bag if you want to. You just put in your code. This is a section where you can charge your phone or charge whatever you need to charge right here. So that's very cool. This bag has everything all in one. So this is how inside of the suitcase will look. To one side, and this is the other. And my laptop is right here. So guys, this is a blender, and I am so excited about this because we have one and it's tore up, okay? This is how it looks here. And guys, this blender, I am gonna give this to my son, the Marian, for Christmas because he loves smoothies and he loves making his own smoothies, and this is a perfect gift for him. Let's open this up. And remember, all the links to these products are gonna be down below. So guys, this is a wireless blender, meaning you do not have to plug it in for it to work. You just have to charge it. Once it's charged, just like your phone, you can pick it up and go and use it anywhere on the go. Okay, so it's like a blender and a built-in cup in one, so you can blend your stuff and drink from it. Let me show you. It opens here, so you know you can drink from it after you're done blending. So this is your different levels. This is where you press on and off and you pick your different levels. So yes, there it is. So nice, and I love the color. It's a nice color, and it comes with a plug to charge it. So yeah, guys, I'm about to plug it up for you and see. You turn on. So yeah, and this is how you charge it. You just charge it, let it charge, and then unplug it, and you can use it on the go. Let's open this. Yeah, what I wanted so bad. Yes, my cast iron pan, okay, and it is heavy and nice, guys. I had a cast iron pan a while back, and when we moved, I don't know what happened to it, we lost it. Okay, so I am happy, and guys, I have a special video coming up for you guys that I'll be using this pan right here. It is heavy, and you can see that it's good quality just by how it feels, the weight. Because if you know anything about cast iron pan, they're heavy pan, and these one of the best pans to cook with. This is a spoon, a wooden spoon. It was supposed to come with a set, but I'm not sure on what happened. I'm not sure if I picked the wrong thing, but it was a set with a bunch of spoons. Okay guys, so this is how it looked, and this feels pretty heavy and nice. This is the last item. Okay, this is the last item. It's a rug. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay. And it's pretty big. And guys, we do not have a rug in the living room, so I'm very happy for this. Let me show you how big it is. I'm not sure how am I gonna position it, and it's very pretty. I love it. Guys, this is the rug. It's very big, a very nice size, and I'm gonna put it underneath here. That's what I think I'm gonna do. So let me go do that, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the rug and how it looks. See, it's a very good size. See that? Beautiful. So guys, this concludes the Temu haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you, Temu, for sending these amazing stuff, especially this nice rug. It feels so good. guys. Okay, guys, do not forget to use a discount code DTZ5484 is gonna be on the screen, and all the links to the products in this video is gonna be in the description box down below. Also, do not forget to download the Temu app, okay, so you can save. So watching, Temu has free shipping and all their items, okay, and free 90-day return back policy. All right,